Hello guys. So in this video we will see how users will be able to create, manage and configure bubble chart by using our BI dashboard module. So as you can see that sales orders count by total, I have already created one bubble chart. So let's quickly check it out. The related configuration and functionality, what kind of options are provided over here. So as you will be able to see, this is a view how this graph will be get represented based on the parameters we will select it over here. All right, so first of all, we will give it the graph name, or say graph title. Here we will be able to select a different model, so like account or sales order, purchase order, inventory, project, manufacturing order, etc., as per users requirement. Now if you want to add this particular layout into a generic layout, then you have to enable this toggle button. We have made a separate video how different layouts can be added to a generic layout, so please check it out in our dashboard playlist. All right, now coming on to this relation information, you will be able to see over here view type is selected as a bubble chart, but we have also given multiple kinds of graphs options over here. So users can select different kinds of graphs from here, from this view type. Operation type is defined, so it will be when it will be a count, so it will show total number or say total count of records. When it will be a sum, then the system will display a sum of the records in this graph. When there will be an average, so the system will display an average of the data on this graph. Okay, so if you want to define record limit, that in how much data limit this graph will be get visible, so you can define it. You can also define it as, let's say, a 5. You can see that you can define it as a 10, anything as per your requirement. You will be able to define it accordingly. You can also define it as, let's say, a 15, whatever you want. Okay, over here you will be also able to define multiple domains dynamically. So if you want to add any kind of filter, so you will be able to add it. You can use it, and if you want to define any another filter as well, you can also do that. And between it, if you want to define between them, if you want to define all or any condition, then you can also do it accordingly, and the result will be get automatically filtered out based on your selected criteria. Okay, over here also, whatever kind of domain you will select and configure, from that, when that particular query will be get applied automatically, then from that these records will be shown. So these records will be already shown by the system as filtered records. So by clicking on that also, you will be get redirected to those records as well. All right, now over here this will be a group by. So here you will be able to group by based on different kinds of the fields as per the model you will select it over here, and these fields will also get varied based on this model selection. If you want to sort by field, you can also do it. If you want to define order type as ascending order or, let's say, descending order, you can also define it as well. Here from the data, when this particular graph will be get represented, so in that data there can be a false value or, let's say, a zero value. So if you want to hide a false value or zero value, then you have to enable these two toggle buttons as well. From this date filter field, you will be able to define different kinds of the date filter, like today, this week, this month, this quarter, next day, next week, next month, next quarter, as per user's choice. Okay, and over here also, in this date filter field, whatever kind of fields are available based on this model selection will be get defined by the system automatically. All right, now coming on to this design part, here you will be able to define data format over here. When this data will be get represented over here, it can be defined into different kinds of the formats. So we have provided over here different formats regarding to the data format. From here you will be able to change a graph color. So you can change it, you can see that. Here the label positions, how these label positions will be get defined. So you can see the label is coming right now at bottom part. If you want to define it at left side, the label will come at the left side. If you want to define it at the right side, label will come at right side. Okay. Now next thing is so unit. So if you want to define a unit, then this particular unit will be get enabled. So by default, a monetary unit, that will be a current currency, whatever enabled currency will be there, it will be represented over there. But if you want to define it any custom unit as well, let's say just for one example, like a test custom unit, I am just defining over here. So it will be going to be get defined like this. Okay. So next thing is border width. So if you want to define a border width also, let's say 2 or 3 or something like that, this border width will be also defined accordingly. Okay. If you want to show or hide a graph label, then you can do it accordingly. You can see that now previously a graph label was hidden. Now I have enabled this graph label again. If you want to make this graph transparent, then you can also do it accordingly. All right. Now regarding to this layout tooltip and layout information, how it will affect, we have made a separate video for that, so please check it out, this video, in our dashboard playlist. Regarding to actions, how these actions are working, this client action, click action, so all these videos we have also made also. So please check it out in our video dashboard playlist. If you want to combine this particular layout with another dashboard, so you will be able to use this option, and this particular graph will be get combined to another selected dashboard over here. Okay. Regarding to auto update, that how this graph will be how this graph output will be get auto refreshed, or based on when any record will be when any selected criteria related record will be get created freshly, or any updation will be done into the record, or if you want to define any custom time interval for this auto update, you can also define it. So for this auto update also, we have made a separate video for that, so please check it out in our dashboard playlist as well. So all right, that's it about this video, how users will be able to create, manage and configure bubble chart. Okay. So if you will have any kind of query or question, then please don't hesitate to ask us. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Have a nice day ahead. Bye, take care.